So hello, and welcome to the inside of this Amiga 500. This is serial number 775. Indeed, it has a hard drive. And how do I know it has a hard drive? Well, I know it fires up with a hard drive, and then, well, I open it up, and here is, I'm going to try and stay still here, here is this thing, wrapped in paper, with some foam. And inside it is a Western Digital hard drive. And that is its mounting. It is not mounted. It is just held in place by, I guess, the case. And the bubble wrap and paper ensure that it is not not making any bad connections or electrical issues inside. So I have never seen such a setup as this, ever. It is intriguing. I think when I take off the keyboard, I will know more about what is what in here. So here it is. I don't know the capacity of this. It is a little drive. I think with this in its current situation, I think I'm going to turn it back on and see what I see. So here it is. An Amiga 500 with a hard drive, ever so carefully mounted on bubble wrap and paper with a rubber band around it. Stay tuned.